Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rider Rob. Today I'm going to fix the mobile charger in my scooter. I'll explain you guys how to do it. I'm going to do in MMF Fascino. It will be similar for other scooters also, so you can try it in your scooter. Okay guys, this is the charger, and because always I used to keep one of my helmet here, so that's the reason I'm not I cannot fit it anywhere here. I'm planning to fix this here with two screws, maybe in this position or here. So let me decide where I want to fix it, and I'll show you guys. I have a screwdriver and I have two screws, and this is where I have all the fasteners in this box. This screw right here, it is very sharp, so it can make a hole easily on the plastic. First thing is I'm placing it here. I have to set the position. You need to apply little pressure. Okay. You need to apply little pressure on that. Still it makes the way through. This is how it is fixed now with the two screws. This position is very flexible, so it doesn't it will not easily break. Actually, this is for you to mount on the handlebar, but I have fixed it here, and this is how it looks. Now what I need to do is I need to route the wire till here, till the battery, because I'm planning to give it directly. The reason why is there's already a switch here. I don't need to worry about the battery getting drained. Now I need to search for the place. You can see this, it is completely covered at the bottom. Now I need to find a way to route the wire. Maybe I need to remove a couple of parts from here to route the wire. Let me figure out how to route the wire, and I'll get back to you guys again. Finally, I've removed this part from this place. Now I have access from this place to this place. This is the 1 square mm wire which I'm going to use now. First, what I'll do is I'll route the wire from this place. I'll take it out here. Later, I can decide whether to make a hole separately here, or I can just take it from this hole to make sure that the wires doesn't touch the engine. And from here, from this place, I'll be taking the wire up here and connecting it to the battery. As you can see, I've taken the wires from this end to this end. Now the problem is, it is difficult for me to bring the wire up here, through this through that small gap. For that, I've tied this net to a small wire, and I'll drop it from top. Yes. Now this wire has come here. Now what I'll do is I'll tie this wire to this wire and pull all the way up. I've tied the wire together. Now let me pull it from top. Yeah. Cool. Now I can connect the wires to battery, but before that I'll even connect these wires to the charger, and even I need to route it from this place to here. Now I have this wire from the charger, so I'll take them down, so that will be easy instead of taking these wires here. So yeah guys, first I told you that I'll be taking the wire from here. Actually the engine is right below this. I thought if I take the wire from here, if in case the wire gets melted and if there's any short circuit, then it will be a problem. For that, I made a hole here at this point with the help of the screw. I did not use any drilling machine. I just made the hole with the screw. So this is how it is. So guys, I had to remove this part here. Oops. Okay, I had to remove this part and take the wire out from this place, and now I've connected the wire. I'll be routing it along with the main wiring harness. That will look good. And now I'll fix back the parts now. So guys, I've routed the wire, and this is the wire which has come till the battery, and one is the negative and positive. First I'll connect the positive, and then I'll connect the negative. I need to use a different screwdriver because this is the first time I'm opening this particular bolt from the battery. So guys, the wires are fixed now, the negative and positive. Now I'll show you the charger. Now let me switch on the charger. Yes, it works. This is the LED light. Now let me connect the mobile phone and check. I've connected the mobile. Now I'll switch on the charger. Yes, it is charging. As you can see, the mobile phone is charging now. Guys, thank you for watching, and stay tuned. There are a lot more DIY videos coming up. If you like the video, then do like it, and if you like the channel, then do subscribe to see a lot more videos like this. Thank you once again, and ride safe. Bye bye. Brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire. Truck.